Warrantless vehicle searches in Minnesota are presumed to be unconstitutional. In Minnesota, search warrants requirements necessitate law enforcement to demonstrate probable cause to a judge, indicating a reasonable belief that a crime has occurred or will occur at the specified location. That's noted December 6, 2023. What is probable cause of Minnesota? Once an officer has stopped you, they can form probable cause to search or arrest you based on additional observations. Probable cause is determined on a case-by-case basis, looking at the totality of the circumstances. The officer needs to have more than a hunch or suspicion that you are up to something illegal. When you're using a car has equipment in the car, correct, officer? Using this equipment, what probable cause did you have to stop the car? What crime based on views you observed was the driver violating or going to violate permissible? Is driving the speed limit a crime? Being a female behind the wheel, is that a crime? Looking at the citation, what do you have as violation? So without the equipment, no crime was in commission. You had rights to investigate by pulling the vehicle over. Did you note any reference to a moving violation, speeding, running a stop sign or red light, or driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol? Can you look at Exhibit A, page 4 and 5? Do you see the column marked case events? What is the first and last action dates? Can you state those dates, please? Can you state those dates, please? Do citations usually last 5 years in arguments? It implies that something was going on within that case which may have given the defendant the belief her license was not revoked or suspended, correct? This citation was given February 8th, 2020, correct? Can you look at Exhibit B, please? Those are items used to identify a person, correct? Can you look at Exhibit C, please? The title on the card has changed, but does some of the information remain the same? Do you know which came first? Is that specific to drivers only? So you do not have probable cause the vehicle was in the commission of a crime just by looking at it. You needed the equipment to pull the vehicle over and ask for identity of the driver, which is investigating. Was you able to ID the driver before pulling her over to visually verify her, or you just pulled the car over due to the system telling you to? Is it lawful to own a car and not have a license? Can you own a car and not have a license? You don't know if the car was tagged and towed or she walked away, do you? Do you have notes on that?